The screens that you see everywhere around here are monitors that are installed on aircraft that you get to use especially on long duration international flights to watch movies, cartoons or even shopping. I am at the Panasonic Avionics software design and development facility in Pune's Hinjewadi. Panasonic Avionics is the world's leading supplier of in-flight entertainment systems to different airlines around the world. This facility is the company's fourth such global software development facility where it develops and designs softwares depending on the needs of different airlines. With me is Ken Sain, the CEO of Panasonic Avionics, and Manish Sharma, who heads the Panasonic Life Solutions business in India. Ken, let me start with you. What made you set up this facility in Pune?
Well, we were very interested in the software talent that is actually here. Great schools nearby, a great pipeline of talent, but then also from India itself, a very much growing aviation and aerospace sector. The team here is going to be focused on is developing the software that allows airlines to create a digital engagement relationship with their particular customers. And so they'll develop software that provides different features and functionality on board the aircraft. We'll test the software here, oftentimes with the airline customers themselves, and then we'll deploy that software on board their aircraft. The investment here actually started 3 years ago. We selected a partner, Infosys, to help us establish a presence here on the software side for the part of the organization that I'm with, Avionics. And we worked with Infosys over the last 3 years to build up the capability. And then today, in this week, represents the transfer of that capability directly back into Panasonic Avionics. Today, again, we have about 200 engineers. If you look through our labs, which are quite extensive here, there's probably 30 or 40 customers that are already supported out of this location. But really, we're going to be supporting most of our customers out of here. This will be our second largest software development facility in the world.
These platforms have served customers globally for more than 4 decades. And in this whole process, our customers have been kind enough to give us that kind of a space that we dominate this space. We exceed 70% market share when it comes to wide body aircrafts and these solutions. And this, in some manner, puts that sense of responsibility on us to continuously innovate.
How many Indian airlines do you have on board?
Well, I can just mention 2 that are public, Air India as well as Vistara.
In terms of Air India's new aircraft order, are you providing the in-flight entertainment systems to the new wide bodies?
We can share that we are providing solutions for Air India's A350s. That was something that was announced by Air India.
Indigo is also expanding and has placed a huge aircraft order. Are you looking at Indigo also as a potential customer?
Yeah, so as I said, I think our first responsibility is to make sure that this wonderful place, which today we are having this luck of ours to be kickstarting this off, and we have to build these capabilities, and then of course sky, as they say, is the limit.
Yeah, no, because in-flight entertainment systems are typically seen as systems on wide body aircraft. But since now we have narrow bodies that are going long range, do you see demand coming in from narrow body planes and airlines as well?
Well, so in-flight engagement systems are on almost all the wide bodies, so close to 100% adoption right there. But on the narrow bodies, if you look across the world, about 53% of the narrow bodies also already have in-flight engagement solutions on it. And we're seeing that trend actually grow.
Manish, what plans on a hardware facility?
No, hardware, I think one of the biggest value which we bring on the table is that it's kind of designed and manufactured in Japan. This differentiates us from the rest. And this is serious technology. As I said, our intention is to ensure that the total cost of ownership for our customers is as low as possible. And therefore, managing a supply chain where a hub and spoke model is being utilized. So create economies of scale at one location, ensure that not only the initial cost of ownership, but the total cost of ownership is as low as possible, because these screens last long and a bit longer matters a lot.
Yeah.
So that's why I think the value which our country can add to this whole ecosystem, this value chain, is in its biggest capability, which is software.